In this video, I will show you how to copy an Excel worksheet. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, I'm here on Excel. Now there's actually two ways you can go ahead and copy a worksheet. And this is actually very easy to do. So as you can see, I've set up a quick worksheet here. So this is just like a quick one I've done for this tutorial. So to actually go ahead and copy this worksheet, what you want to do is come down to the very bottom and you're going to see the name of the worksheet down here. So what you can do first is just right click onto the name. And what's going to happen, you're going to get a menu come up. And if you look over here, you've got a option which says duplicate. So what you can do is click onto this. And as you can see, that has copied this worksheet. So another way to do this, now I can't actually show you this because I'm using the web-based version of Excel. But if you do have the full version of Excel downloaded on your computer, what you can also do is come down to the name tab. And if you hold down Control on your keyboard and basically click onto the name, you can actually drag this to create a duplicate sheet. So as I say, it's not going to work on this one as this is the web-based version. So if you're using the web-based version, what you need to do is right click and click onto duplicate. But if you are using the full version of Excel, the app that's downloaded on Microsoft Office, what you can do is hold Control and hover over the name of the sheet you want to duplicate, hold the mouse button down and just drag it along and you'll be able to create a duplicate sheet that way. So that's how you can go ahead and copy an Excel worksheet. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.